everyone, it's Rachel, and I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where people turn their drawings or their subscribers' drawings into clay charms or some kind of different medium. So I thought I would try turning my students' drawings from school into polymer clay charms. So in this video I created a strawberry using this drawing as a reference, and I thought I would show you how I created it. Firstly, I took my red clay and I began rolling it to create the strawberry shape. I then made a large indent, and this is where I'll be adding on the head later on. I then used one of my smaller dotting tools to go around and then add some spots all over. Next, I used some liquid clay as well as some black micro marbles to create the seeds on the strawberry. For the bear, I used a caramel brown colour and I rolled a ball for the head. I then created some ears with the brown and some pink clay and then blended these onto the head as well. Now moving on to the face, firstly create 2 indents where you want the eyes to go. Next I took some black clay and rolled 2 even balls for the eyes. For the mouth, I attached on a small U-shaped coil, and then for the cheeks I added on some small pink balls of clay. For the leaves on top, I used a darker green clay, split it up into 3 sections and then rolled them into teardrop shapes. I then positioned these onto the head. Next I attached the head onto the strawberry and then used some more of the brown clay for the little arms poking out. Like the leaves, I rolled these into teardrops and then positioned them on. Lastly, I added an eye pin to make it into a charm before baking in my oven and also adding glaze for some shine. And then that's it. This is how it turned out looking in comparison to the original drawing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!